Today we're taking a look at the Western Digital Red Pro drive. I have the 20 terabyte model here. This one is the WD202KFGX model. The Red Pro series of drives are designed for NAS usage, and that's what I plan on doing with this drive. I'll be swapping out an older 14 terabyte drive with this 20 terabyte drive to increase the amount of storage space I have in this slot for my case. My case only has 15 slots, and it does sound kind of silly to be swapping a 14 terabyte drive out of service, but that's where we're at these days. As far as performance goes, these drives are relatively strong for hard drives. And that being said, they are 7200 RPM drives with 512 megabytes of cache. I ran this drive through the Crystal Disk Mark 8 benchmark, and it performed quite well in an empty state. I was seeing about 280 to 285 megabytes per second in terms of read and write speeds, which is pretty good when I remember back to my old Western Digital Blue Caviar drives, and I think they struggled to hit about 40 megabytes a second. These drives are perfect for your NAS, of course storing lots of Linux ISOs, and that's where this one is going, straight into my Unraid large storage array. This drive will put me at about 100 terabytes, or about 90.95 TB usable. These drives are coming with 2-year warranties, and they're rated for 24/7 usage with about 550 terabytes worth of read-write cycle per year, of course at 40C, which is pretty standard. That is a real lot of work, like more than most people are going to see for many, many years, so I do expect this drive is going to last quite a long time and be just happy with a media server workload. I picked this drive up for about $350 on sale, which is a decent price for it, and there's probably going to be plenty of holiday sales soon, so definitely keep your eyes peeled. I'll have some affiliate links below, so make sure to check those out for current pricing and availability. If you want to see more home lab or gaming PC type videos, consider subscribing to the channel and ringing that bell for notifications. Until next time, keep on filling those hard drives up.